Okay, y'all, so I will be doing a quick install on a Fringe Bun and Bang set in a 1B30 that I got from Tiffany's Beauty Supply. So here we go. Two Velcro strips there that the bang go on, but I don't necessarily use it. I'm going to see if I can get by without it because I don't know, I might try it with it and see, because I can adjust the length. I was worried about how close it was going to try to make the bun and the bang be, but I'm going to give it just enough to get a finger through. I'm going to give it just that much, guys, and see. So I'm going to fold the Velcro clip up under the comb because I don't want to use those. Okay. And I'm going to put the bang right about there. Love you. Lemonade, baby, I love you. Say, baby, I love you. Lemonade, baby, I love you. Say, baby, I love you. Baby, I love you. I like it, y'all. I think it's cute. It's definitely cooler than the weeds. So this is a little temporary do until I go to the beauty shop on Friday. So guys, yes, that was $15.99 from Tiffany's Beauty Supply. Brand new store, opened up in Jasper on West Gibson. You can't miss it. Tiffany's Beauty Supply. Check her out. Love you. Love you.